Think you need thousands to own a car? Think again. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra budget rides. Yes, we're talking about cars under $500. That's right, less than the cost of a new smartphone. Now, don't expect luxury, features, or even air conditioning, but if you're resourceful, know where to look, and don't mind getting your hands dirty, you can find a vehicle that still runs. These are the top 5 cars you might actually find for under $500. Let's start with a legend of durability, the Ford Crown Victoria. Often found in retired police fleets and government auctions, this body-on-frame V8-powered sedan is known for surviving high-speed chases, long idling hours, and terrible drivers. The 4.6-liter V8 is incredibly tolerant of abuse and responds well to basic maintenance. They're easy to find in rough shape with 200k plus miles, but they still run, and parts are dirt cheap. Downsides: it's heavy, drinks fuel, and the interiors are often trashed. But for under $500, it's a steal if it turns over and drives. The Saturn SL1 is a beta champion. Known for its plastic body panels that resist rust, it's surprisingly lightweight and can still pull 35 plus miles per gallon on the highway. The SOHC engine is reliable and very simple to work on, perfect for beginner DIY mechanics. These cars are often overlooked, so prices stay low, and they tend to be bought and sold on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for a few $100. Sure, they're basic inside and some parts may be getting hard to find, but they're often running when others are dead. The Accord is one of the most bulletproof cars of its generation. You'll find tons of them with over 250,000 miles still running strong. The 2.2-liter and 2.3-liter engines are known for their longevity, especially when timing belts and fluids are kept up. While clean examples are getting harder to find for cheap, you can still come across rusty or beat-up versions that run fine. Look for sellers offloading a project car or just looking to make room in the driveway. Downsides: rust, worn interiors, and failing transmissions, but if you get one with a solid engine and working brakes, you're golden. You've probably seen a Cavalier and thought it's junk, but think again. These cars were cheap to begin with, which means they're everywhere. The 2.2-liter Ecotec engine is simple, durable, and easy to work on. Parts are still widely available and super affordable. You won't get creature comforts, but the basic structure is durable. Manual versions are more reliable, and you'll often find them sitting in backyards or storage lots, needing only a battery or brake work to run. For $500, you'll likely need to trailer it, but it could be a great project. At the top of the list is, of course, the Toyota Corolla. These cars are almost unkillable. Older models from the 80s and 90s had simple 1.6-liter or 1.8-liter engines that could survive years of abuse. They were built before things got too electronic, meaning fewer things can go wrong. If you spot one for sale under $500, odds are it's dented, rusty, and ugly, but it probably still drives. These are especially valuable in colder climates where rust-free vehicles are rare. Don't underestimate a beat-up Corolla. Cars under $500 aren't pretty and they often require work, but that's the beauty of it. They're raw, real, and functional. If you're a student, a second car seeker, or just want a project to wrench on, these vehicles could be your golden ticket. So what would you pick? Would you gamble on an old V8 or play it safe with a Civic or Corolla? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget car breakdowns, repair tips, and ridiculous car lists.